Then next question, example 3.39, factorize x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 into linear factors. The linear factors are factors பண்ண சொல்லி கேட்டிருக்காங்க. How to factorize? Going to see solution. Example 3.39. Given question take, right? Solution. Let p of x equal to x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Given polynomial is the cubic polynomial. Want to factorize. First want to find the factors. How to find factor? Already given in two conditions. X minus 1 is a factor, then one condition. X plus 1 is a factor of p of x is another condition. So first off going to see what is that. X minus 1 is a factor, then what to sum of the coefficients of p of x is 0 want to come. Therefore take, right, sum of all coefficients. What is that? Here 1, here plus 13, here plus 32, plus 20. Take adding. What we get solution? 1 plus 13, 14. 14 plus 32. 14 plus 32. What's the value? 14, 16. 46. 46 plus 20, 66. So this is not equal to 0. Next, therefore, it's not equal to 0. Sum of all coefficients we get 0. X minus 1 is a factor, but sum of all coefficients we didn't get 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is not a factor of p of x. Next, going to say, next what is that? Sum of even sum of coefficients. Sum of coefficient of even power, sum of coefficient of even power of x. We get solution. Sum of coefficient of even power of x. See that? What is the even power of coefficient of x and constant term? So what is that? Even power of x, what is that? Is a even power, therefore 13. And constant term, what is that? 20. Adding we get a 33. Next one, sum of coefficient of odd power of x. What is the odd power here? 1. X cube, coefficient of x cube 1. Next x plus 32, adding we get a 33. So that both are equal. So both are equal, we get what is that given condition in a book. So sum of the coefficient of even power of x and including constant term is equal to sum of the odd power of x. Both are equal, we get. Then x plus 1 is a factor. So x minus 1 is not factor. Now x plus 1 is a factor of p of x. Therefore take its solution. Finally, x plus 1 is a factor of p of x. So hence the first one solution. Therefore x plus 1 is a factor. Now going to using synthetic division. We use synthetic division. Synthetic division. What is that? Here, see that? Here x minus 1 is a factor. X minus 1 na, find the 0 of this factor. What is the, how to find x plus 1 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 1. The synthetic division எப்படி யூஸ் பண்ணுமோ அதே same process தான். Now take it x minus 1 na, அப்போ this take it. Coefficient of p of x, take it. What is the coefficient of p of x? You see that coefficient of p of x is the 1, 13 plus 32 plus 20. Now take write it. The 1, 13, 32, here 20. Now is the divisor is the minus 1. The divisor of this factor. What's the divisor of this factor? Is the minus 1. The x value minus 1. Take substitute x value minus 1. Here first one to introduce 0. 1 plus 0, 1. Next minus 1 into 1. We get a minus 1. So next to see that 13 minus 1 we get 12. Next minus 1 into 12. Minus 1 into 12 minus 12. Now adding. So plus 32 minus 12. What? Opposite signs. Want to subtract. Then 2 minus 2 0. 3 minus 1 2 20. Next third one. Minus 1 into 20. Minus 1 into 20 minus 20. Minus 20 we get 0. So therefore remainder is 0. Now take right. P of x equal to. Here x minus 1 x minus 1 we can write x plus 1. That goes the left hand side is a plus 1. Next here. This is the quotient. This is the remainder. This is the quotient. Quotient how to write? Already I said. Quotient always 1 degree less than p of x. So what's the degree of p of x? Is the 3. Then quotient is 1 degree less than. Quotient is 1 degree less than p of x. So 1 degree less means we want to come x square. X square plus 12x plus 20. So now this take factorize. So take ordinary factorization. Before we discuss it, this is one of the quadratic polynomial. Now take factorize. Now here what is the coefficient of x is the 12. So sum of the factor 12. Constant term is the 20. Now take it constant term 20. Now sum of the factor I want my plus 12. What are the factors possible? See that 2 tens are 20. Product of the factor contains satisfied. 2 plus 10 12 satisfied. Therefore 2 into 10 we get a 20. 2 plus 10 we get a 12. Condition satisfied. Therefore we can write see that x plus 1 into. So this factors directly take right. No problem. One factor 2 and another factor 10. Therefore x plus 2 into x plus 10. So p of x what is that? We can write p of x we can write x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 10. So therefore p of x left hand side final take right x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 we can write x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 10. So hence a solution over.